Ana go friend.
One friend wo so medical tickets and na so business meeting wo be sia wo mo. Sa fiada no ana papo na bra na friend no. Fiada na paso na person sia wo mo fiada nwumere. Mi wa ni esi ni padodo no akora akokofo dua ya wo mo ye meeting ho. Ye ebi so kra wo say wo ma branch ba kwa du sei. Wo wale na wo twena wie ye. Ye ebi no wa wedding engagement ya se. Wow, just a nipa organize ya no just say then wo pe so no anya person na nanim gu asio say then you so person tira say wo mo pe no bi me ndi o mo pa tira kura ah manko
nanaba
mo tie fitire na mo frafra mi bisa some of faso bi ni so
nanaba
o say
o free asante jaba the president way
we to kwan wo kwa AU summit Africa can't be left. No, I'm going to say you summit 1 day or 2 days.
Who's away?
Me na makobi.
I mean, it's from Cameroon.
Who biasa. When I'm touching my side, question to me don't worry because we are cry. Maybe I now walk around so obi ehunpo. Near question to me and ka okra under the freeze into to okra unko baby papa biada. Da no in the state house no cry wo yirai. E dey do kopie mo ho kaba wedding. The mom who near the idea, wouldn't be out. To the big cry, wouldn't matter. Quite fast for presidential convoy. To move and they said, yeah, protocol near money at the end now 30 miles ton, 30 miles. If it's a big cry, 30 miles, bunker beam cry. I mean, I want to more.
Well, 30 miles for a travel comment, Baba Mufino.
Hey, yeah, now Papa and Emma, what was your friend to say?
Atros.
Your friend to say?
Atros. Ghana.
Where you made in Ghana, Maso. When am Mahama? Made in Ghana. Yes, when Mahama. When you was my Mahama, was my own Atros. Who you do us at it? And you do us at a pub was in Ghana, Baba. Say what him. Say what him. Until do us at the swag, baby. What him not say?
Padu peso busa so obetua saa kwanya na wafa so a wo de ton nipa no aman.
Masa de fa asem ko munam ka wo ne anya yi. E twa picture kora yem frawo.
Daily graphic. Ozo osiro.
E twa picture kora yem.
Ozo osiro.
Ah, baba me tia film lady afia poku ya. Ono kwaro no film lady wo so ho na ba bia o me film na ya na limited. Me dey na limited o dey na film. Ba bia otumi wo so.
Maruf Japan or unwe I am free. Not the information abre. AU summit is being held at Rwanda.
And no me fie. Na me cry say he falam te Instagram. Ovation for the Delamundo. Sisi ade o mo say hwe o mu ye adwuma kra se standogbe
papa no
Delamundo ovesi wo ye adwuma se standogbe o twie kai wall of me
Chief Mahmoud Dele
Instagram na o ya bam no that one bam no to thank you when you part I see on Ghana ni prekope me president wo so campaign his excellency to aso so
Daily Graphic and the machine
ma me was registrar former registrar or Sampa and then one in the twins the birthday Eric Blessing and Betsy omu di birthday nti happy birthday
Abuga Pele Bediami lose NDC primaries.
Ayaneka o twesa yo ye ntem o ye de yo beri
new MP for Abetifi and voters register exhibition re-registration begin today. We need inclusiveness instead of one party taking total control.
Daily Graphic Ghana for NAIT ye koye nim papa danu fiade obi de bra me so person check ya ukọ mychecky.com mychecky.com wo ID ne de hye ho a uka ho na ya delete udi e bebe me de ewura ho na ya tro hule udi nim ena msra me na sha hatikura me ma ebida kwati twuma daru ma me ebida ntime mfa register de o twie kai enu sukura eti for easy for de no ebia compile a wo mo e send de ntu u download pe na ba phone so na wo kro no enti mo check na obi ansori na pe na tentem kra ade a chen mo nkoso la obi an kwa check ni din se odi wo mu ana ya delete na wa twere no foforo wo kwa wo de ompa ho asam a wo passport ya fa kɔ wo birth certificate fa kɔ woni bi kura no asokora dia Ghana ha de wo nkɔpɛ visa wo de passport ye dai sokwa brani nsa me nipa mienu na omu ni wachi ka omu sa de wanya ayi no na akwa no kwa register odi kama na pa ya baby ato a baby a sentence no tese o ma bia wo betimi akwa check ye na e na efrase e ho ama ne bode wo mo papa kwese ndum wuti wo news no mu kase ni mu dada say ade a memne dai PPP for de to so me nsa ye o my convention ya wo mo ayi no so no e na ntu frank ama PPP no wo de atodwa so no wo ti we ye bi ahwe aye bi ase aye bi ehunu aye bi pen enti obetimi ayo ba dwuma pa otumi bia na fe US na obi e bi ka ho ne adetia wo so wa bia dwuma ntinei wo so no all inclusive government yo ne se bia nkrofo na campaign man nti wo ba president ya afa na the party for bia bon wo de wo be wurewure wo ukura qualification ko ade a no e na bema Ghana akọ na nim economy eti ma gina so ensem ni bia odi tu dwa bra no wo mo pa no so wonkwan na wonkwan adwuma ma pepepe yera bra ne champon da no abeti fi aba so wo to wie re say de ho na NDC fo wo mo agọ NDC fo mo so mo ni tam wo mo ngọ ehwe wa beti fi ho nto wo mo fo mo nwe ye na bra champon no e na wo mo to aba ni wie wodi nsunkuni mu
yet also the Enquirer revealed sex for job hits
Eserato ata o ba to ho ana no so abaye adwuma ma ho ne oni school fees kura o de ekọ na biem ba bo ma bo ne nyo o ba bo na bo na adwa e ho na iye mi seta sanka ba ya kire
the Enquirer. Sex for job hits Gempa, rector summoned by governing council over Apuskeleke. Embezzlement rocks Farmers Day celebration, and Adabraka market executives explain meat seller story.
Omunhwe ni ye no man ko bro bi man o ma hwe no kura po dada wo e bi esipen o na wo de na anyira
so say akwanche
da no e anyira
o ne say ba ya che
o say
o ha no ayira
zeni na ni na na fake ni ade anti e hwe de ye na te say ntumi ane na dada se mo abeto mo we kwara ye
camera mama dey look na man greater works mo dey amana na
da bi na ya se mo ye ka twam dada ines wo se na se wo ba wo na adwuma na so
a company na
ya je na loku mu kura ntwe omo kanti ya je kura nya hwe say o ya ma sore na ade ba mo bi atua ka say ne hwe enti no enti na conference center ye kwa we yi bebi ayi foi aglo o mo de say o ma na o mo ye wo
independence
independence ho ma no e ma no o mo bompa ye no
agency na o ma je no o mo consider some of these experts no mo na the right angle na short
na ka be na obi edidi na de bebi a trace ho
the Enquirer.
Baby, tennis ho everywhere you go.
Kai say ayi mema no adwuma wo ayi yi kama ka ke odi papa yi kama ne ko fa angle shot.
Nde ka no betu ake odi so de papiski. She papiski urade. Tuma no tum so to half yard. Enquirer ne de to aso ajan se mo beto dwa nam ko fa ba yo kwabena. We ka wu ni me pepem. Kwabena na de aba na me twitwa ba wo yi. Nyamia. Wanu so ko wale ge urade mema Enquirer de ya de to aso no wo tem se sia de odu grandpa mesrawo de ehia se wo sisie na onima to babu urade hu gempa reta no ni ate se utumi bu atopa 10,000 nimtuni a oto onima wo se ono kra de yapo no mebo a wo se wo bu atopa 10,000 1 minute wo bu 10,000 wonye ni pa to enei reta de se na mpanimfo na efra no obisa ne se bra na nti wo kwaya adwuma atopa bu ese ye chendi ma me bia wafa no ama na adwuma register o se de yo yes mami ni post papa bi echendi de kura no wa mani post ka sia sa wa de to de kwaje ye eni na we san sense mi kura chaka na mai wo mugu ye no sasa na ya dai mugu ye hu fi sa na ya dai ye ma chi samti ye so me de to na kwaje ye da no ye na mo de what they say g what they say mezi na mo say okura kumante wa ya no eni wa ma na aduma da no so Charlotte say na mo so mahama ayo no ene wa ma na adwuma ene so yesi reta wo so akoyo no wa ma obi adwuma na Enquirer na de abetu dwa yesi na uni school fees ya akọ gempa no problem de hia so baby e ma to ho ene o ba bo no mu no bo no dwa na o ma odi ne hemre sa na school fees rutum de so botom etumi de ko fie ko twa ya suspended na ko twa ni suspended ni ade enti pedifo ehwemu ansam no we Enquirer mu upiem we Farmers Day 2015 de no a yes about 5 million Ghana cedis what the ma almost one for enya dwuma na ne ma kama Farmers Day nya fine besi na ye ntumi mu akonta emom best farmer ya wono no da yes ba no 3 bedroom ye de ama no na be de atire ne de show ese de ma no ye de ama no obi age ne de bom sika no ene ehunu de om de ye nti ne enche kora ye be di farmers day October na eto sonson ene o mo tie se 5 million Ghana cedis no o mo tumi cheche mu no ama pa de ene e be yedwe ehun amane bo ene wo enkwale mu
Daily Guide. 2 NDC Mogabis dumped and MPP new office shit bombed. Big one. EIU tips Nana Clinton to win 2016 polls.
Daily Guide some of the other some that I say EIU wo the first one second one so by Mr. last week said. Nebom ade om dia beto dwa say na do dan kwa Akufo Addo wono nyono nko EIU no international organization wa ma no de wo mo dia beto dwa say nana na ye kwoto aba 2016 no wo hwemu a wo bedi mu egudi mu wo hwe say dia petakatakram ne ma kwa no a nana fa Ashanti Ready ni pe sum ho nana pie mu obo ase ye se obo ase ne na nya asam ketwa no kura no ebi mu sire se ni pa nko pepe bia ne ade anam se de mo asam o mo democracy ne mo amo na mo ye mo ne ma ne ade na no na beto dwa se ne ono nko EIU fuei wo mo de atodwa sa Clinton Hillary Clinton Clinton ayire Hillary wo no so e ba be di president wo US ya eno ho amane bo abeto mo abuga pele a wokoye na wokoye kwan so wo betimi ato aso aye member of parliament yo ma ho no ho amane bo Daily Guide e de aba upiem ewo eye Asante Achem North a ewo eno ya aye nua be makodwo ba eye member of parliament ho a wo ma ho no a ne ye koto aba wo ne oni di MPM bie wo kire se wo si eye office a wo mo dia ma MPP se MPP na da do dan kwa Akufo Addo nkopie ma odan ko ogo bia no pepa etira a won di osusu se NDC fo da no Excellency John Dramani Mahama be pie ohun da ne mse na bufu ene NDC fo so no ye no madwalai ene wo mo akwa sabe wo mo e de penti ho wo ma ni abotre di nkruma ahwe wo tuo safi e de abotre ahwe ayi fetre dechi ama ma me se ya wo mo ko jai buntu nya sam keto aka se pa be de ho e de penti dan wo mo ya penti ho nya fe wo mo de sabe obiri wo mo de akọ penti be bia ma ne kama ye no Daily Guide de abetudwa
The Ghanaian Times. President commended for development projects in Western region. Pa Kwesi Indum confirmed presidential candidate of PPP for 2016 polls. Muntie FM panelists, directors returned to Supreme Court today. And Supreme Court determines Zenat Rollins' fate today. Big one. Academic galamsey must stop. Dawn. Anna Ode sa the Ghanaian Times.
Ni nyina say ne professor bia say o allied sciences and den. And what trebu say see adem de teacher for abade. Galamsey tuo ne say bi o mko mind ase kope galamsey o. Ya ade teacher for abade ne lokum as a cameraman egufia. Wo mdwi lokum so bibia sika obo wani asem toa. Ni o mo mketo akora o mo mind because o meja bia twa net gadi. Any ade say teacher for literacy. And you watch radio work in US no one nam a legwam. No one nam Gempa, no one the PMO IPS in the university po. And no one the PMO AUCC, and no one the PMO UPS. Dear, just a baby, a woman and ya or more than the Antiabano. Next one, my brand, school new crowd, what China didn't want to smoke bisa. Not a buafu, Tita Munia to go to Gum. Ya, Unabuafu, our cow, Becky Cabiatra was Saturday, and yes, or Mujaye. Na wo moteso ne yakwam na dokura monteso na no na emwa pa ma de tire enkoso upie mo wa sereje ntakrade na nkokwa edo ntakrade na nkokwa edo sekedi na aze wala NDC eku bi wo tsu mu ntakrade na onya asem kakaba wala His Excellency be wa ma chenka takrade wala asphalt poche wo hu bi da asphalt His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asphalt only ya wo takrade onya asem kakaba nti ne takrade fo wala wa atede in the schools ahoro His Excellency wa ye wo ho ne onyama hodo a wa ye hospital na nya sam kakaba ntine takwadefo wannam no wo cheda wo kwa walk won my His Excellency wa agba adwuma papa asphalt ole ye ho no oya sam kakaba no asam wa ba Ghanaian Times papa Kwesi Indum a wono so apie mu bie ya wono so etre ne nsem mu nyama hodo a moto abama no wo be president wo be ye ho amane bo mu enei dole Supreme Court betena Muntie FM nsem okọ so no Mogabi ene wo mo ekeka ka ho nsem okọ so mtu she da se na o meto aso no ene kwambia so wo meto asem no so
Mame Christiana Sewa Obomin Presby primary ho na ochiade entiene se oje bre ehwe bedwem ansa na opeja hu akochirade Asuma Ghana. Yamami Christiana, Sewa, Obomin Presby Primary, and pay Yachiao. And Papa will say, Washaya. They be all the back. Good morning, my hand and I've been watching you guys every day. It's a fantastic show. Keep it up.
Yes.
But hello to my wife,
yes.
Mama Efi of Manso Amenfi. From Oberima Kweku Beko Amwatin Manso Amenfi.
And no. Na ni etia papa no obi ohwebie. Titiru de dem lodge for. Ya omo wo bo ase nem lodge wo mo service we. Metia wo papa ene na nja asem ketwa ene da no wo ase de awrade ase etukot na ho. O so eni na
abosho wa abuka.
Yetia mo ana metia McLean. Wo ase McLean. Restaurant kama ne wakoto spice ho a o de wi adwuma metia no papa. Ene El Shaddai. Mama El Shaddai, Edra was made fufu and papa no nkro fufu I ready. Restaurant am ko dwu manu mu ansa. Me ja Roma ya sorry. Me hu abo ase Roma sofu pani no.
I see.
Oh, na Roma for sa na motia na mo communion mo man krofo bi ni.
It's on count.
Mo nka wo say e dey na kwa sorry ni e di communion. Na mo ma na mo se Roma for nkwa na me di communion. Na ka me sofu okra wo se ye ntintia na ye ntin ka me ko tia na podium ne so. What? So for my young man, na permit ya papa.
You could try Baba.
Enti anko mama.
You could try Baba. Enti eba e was some kesi en komo wa isi di e kwaba. Okay, una fro bo ase ba galam say.
Mama Chairman P.
Chairman P.
Our chairman good. O sit down what say me pe good. Nti ne name duru ha no say ya be de.
Chairman P.
Ja 18 karat me ne pa atwa Chairman P. Chairman.
Oyo ba na me.
Me o ba be ma sem hunu akwa. Ara permit ya no a. Ele Kofi Mpieni, Kofi Apieni the port.
You know boy still. The man for Ernest
Nanado say Galamsey no ba wo be legalize it. Wo be mana ya adwuma nti do bia nya ready a won hye the boot.
Galamsey.
Wa wo pese na oso won ka bone.
Also obe regularizing.
And nanya no ana make it.
Or regularization.
Nanya no ana make it.
It's not legalization. Okay,
ni na no abia. Legalize na every book asa goro. Etu oso be mama ya adwuma. Na ti say be taxes na ade eso ode no wo hwe maje. Sada e no wo be hwe ma ayi wo mo eye Ashanti Gold no so a eguo no watumi ama hode na bam ene ade a ene wo ko Asante Atima Gogo e wo so wase mo amuka nwan no muka nantwie no se ye twa kwa ye betumi aye ma pepepe yes atumi aba ho na nye ono na ebeka nantwie na firi ho wo be hwe ma ne ma tumi asese yie wo bi aye na dwuma kama kwa abroti a wo mo aye nantwie dwuma wo mo wo ho ya ho bi ama ye ene ade a ye
even in Brazil.
Yes, in Brazil.
Okay, Ebeko Boise still. Nimyan for enin, Nyami ambema nke anti asempa. Ernest enin na meka na asem. Yo odresi kama.
Danu mi hunu wa container ba me hunu no watu ni kako.
Ho kope do.
Ni yeso no kwa. MC so ba ho na me hwe an so no so afa ko na fitiro ho ba bi. Me se wo de na de me ni consent ba me mo. No time me wo mobro no.
Oh wait, good morning. I hope to say. Hello. Okay. Quickly.
I have questions about honorable any. Idea or Galamsey who some would do come up. Yes, some man Ike was sent prepared in fear Ediosia Essia, Ediosia Essia Insia. It's young wishing papa happy birthday, Mr. Camillus Francis Kumi. And now I would happy birthday to you, sound man.
Okay.
Here
Andrews Kofi Inti, general consultant. We are part-time lecturer. I see a school monum and an area accountant. Which abattoir come I see a senating so. And a payachi also ajibre Eshebi area Andrews Kofi Inti. And that's CP.
So Taku say, Mushabi, I want to business way. Now you have to mean business, even that. What a day while go more to say.
Ejewe said in the for in the Director of Agriculture and so Madina era a Kwajofin also Yachao Anope. Say Hanabisi.
Oh, when you had to kai. Not an about dear. Me na say o se me ko Dubai me pe shake ma no na jai ho kwantiti say ko pay America broni bi anefo ado
enti na me aduma me sro ene electoral commission for ona se dwumadi na se wadaroma
bi anko check
wadaroma tu anamo na professor se odinu se wom se ni check ni na bibia ntoto na akwem na ko fast foforo ni nchi no foforo bia
wa to aba be ha be
dem yanfo ni good morning apom ti say hello honorable any good morning apom ti say
okay
honorable any good morning apom ti say
Aifa, how no ka say
Adum TV honorable
okay na say me TV ba to bi aka me
omo do TV ko
morning on my head apom ye
ebi aye boko no krebe ne wom say
good morning
okay man share TV no na ye ni nkomo ebe man ko
good morning
okay majo so de mi busa ne say ganam say wo sensem eno ada nkomo aye tene say eka de ankasa brede anka on ka ti asefo
we we dey ma me che we tie for na me monitor na ya say o mu container obo nyame
eh na wo so kra dem ka say TV na ni ho
we da me ya me dey o mu container o me so mama container na fa o ba da ho dey ma hu
so I just want for you
no me hu no container ni ka ni tu ya na me bi dira ha na ese na ni na akwai
na ya hu na be hu me eno ana
me me da eno ai da be me da
eno akwasi
na kwasi da me da nwumre
me da na mo emem honorable Roberta for papa yi
e dey fia da nwumre
ifia na so na me ni ho me na na ya ka se wi no ya bedru what na na jo be 11
but so I go ask you na ya brefo dey
I first on my the chance say me papa no your hene wo ayas owu for 30 years yen si akunya no enti be wo honam te say isu na da ho e fa no bo akese abrantie bi de bia no na ho pe so o de chana for kutu ana me ya na me kwa ya so some time ago no mo kaka say ahwasa no me committee of mine so my transfer for 12 years me company for pounds on my search no guy no obwa enti mo ka che guy no say me ya no or people on for me chere enti mo one time na mo China for no call na me migration for kochiwo e ba boase any guy be or say friend pepra no na ye o jina ho ma ndc o share so e chena me ni nua ma ndc for bi ko na mo say obwa enya no kresa ananka okọ primaries eno cry so jai wanko but on nama o man ko fo say e mu fe no honorable na me ntiase the guy no buy na yenu am bia mo bo ase a efrem say guy no peso boku me na me say me pese me ho no pa me chawa so mu sra me na me say me fie dem ma mo ha na me mu share of cans ye share no try say obama me sika me masa me nji sika sa o me pese sika sa Adiano, me Jews can meet them wow, and to forget it, a home and hobby. Me or ya wonder about an office of parliament. Obanam say, I brought for no issue on your foreigners. Even small scale man, Crano, and Ramomo Quanso Munyabi. You also we are a large scale, and to many ambition to go to the and Omo go to go to choir, and Mamma Gan and Young Faso. Elwomo, and yes, a mobile small, they called, and only young play. I be say you no wako. One the big corrections you yeah. I buy another one. All con want the 50 million to me table. Some say catch it, found seeker. But catch on 7 million yes sir. And no I could see there no bossy. And now including you from Bosomushia, and I'm saying my church and no much wrong. Because they be quiet some of them me dean, if you quiet almost the DC just in some bazaar. Because I'm coach say be a much almost. Obi a say an ko fo ne say fu e kra ye ni mo to abeka ye so na na boa ye e from na from na nantwi na so no problem na me papa kra ti ase na o ya ya ase hena oni 2 minutes or the asase mo bi so on to god na sub chief bi anso ni sa to me no even another say hena kra no oni 2 minutes or tam asase mo bi say koye sa de no etiamra and na ye so to turn the intimate because obi dey hena no yes I just any talk it's wrong me dey meka na me kan ko mo sa na kwa ba ko bi ba no so honorable we na de bia no one papa no yes o ye fo mu say ye fo no na me say catch wo fi ko mo say ai na yes no ma no if we now go try so boko ba bisa do mo de be you bia na ma be dia dance ya because my back catch us say akwana ni paper to de ni da ho ne bone ya sa dia na ma ye be tu bia na ma be dia dance ya and akwan pen be before I want second one bia ba second one ba no and I'm say ba ko su ni honorable ti mo wa na kokora be 17 years akwana so jame ho etu sa akwana so I'm say of having ti mo ya so ma phone ni na rush I'm say what is going on and almost Kumasi akwana me ko yi ye pija akwana tare a kuma short one ese no and the me name driver na ko ya go phone gidigidi pija na no to me kam na me ja meeting na me rush no to from police station and no anajo no aye ba ni hu say that ni wi a wa chichiro so that time mo and then me ko police na me say wi no so akọ to an was ni wi so ni onje and you tia asem na akwan kuma no de share no no me nim say the oil juan na this one say also because or catch there the oil juan hono e person oil ganam say on ball abedi chin trane e ya say abedi chin trane say me ba on so try me pa you say guy no yes one say come give me demo ba me so me kona say be me be precision no ma fa anya kodiro and the self defense around your lines say young friend some we from me kunya and the one shot me paya ba kuma je amafo was ready for them and a pa it be check one me have no police station.
I see, but what Kagalam says and unfortunately so nanado ba ho no nanado akasa fa ho na osu di nanado achi. What's your understanding of Nyoma nanado be kasa fa ho e fa Galam say ho na afi oboase mines na kasa ho. There nanado say senyame na doma ma ni patriotic party aba. There na mo no so betu afa oboase titru Galam say any mines no.
But that's and another small kind of even 2012 or by the same as some no kind of no repeating this say yamina na do nya to me na was a gram say for no aba no especially and this government owns a more assurance but unto me ma ade no nye on regularity ade no ma e be say official e ma wo ya aban ehun say wo ye asemesi ana o mahene ahana ye dia ma say ye enti wo ye bibia na say o ho a ye wo na so fix it afi so aban betmanya bia tax from ho o mbetma ye juma abra soja fo na post fo tata o enna na say nyame ya no ba tan hye no on befa mrakwam ama ganam sefo no etimi ayo mojuma ase waje concession o ye juma as in a small scale mine that's the word ganam saying it will be out. It be fading out. Not the small scale mine for constitutional prescribable our mining act no. I am makwama a man to me Ghana for no chance Ghana need pet me no. That omo and moi the tools and the normal also to be a jman about the boom. No much na your bojman that bands with me be from because am I no Tanzania. That's a share no oma yen kama. I'm a Tanzania for get Tanzania for ma. It me get small scale na buy na boamu with equipment no normal omo ye ma ban no ho fa so no bi na do dan ko for so me ya dum no otumi benya akonya na e kese wo de san hye ni bia den aba ama sonwe aba between Galamsey where the Galamsey no plan dey be free ho between Ghana for a person to agudie no ene aban Mr. Bibia Kosoboko and the message no the mouth.
I see, but main person me call details because I say subject to nanado sasma cocaine to how obviously knowing the consequences of Galamsey adwuma even though he intends to regularize it no. Okay, so small scale mining. Okay. Good.
No, I just said now, yeah, a baby. But yet, yes, about you're being forced to start and run our honor. I'm a Ubia follow, Ubia register. We are going to inquire our register. Now, Bano so move. Now, what to me, I owe you, man. Okay, Tanzania.
All right,
copy, yeah, be pasty for Ghana. Now,
all right, still, you bet this uncommon, small scale mining uncommon, but the bigger picture is that. My son Casano, so you made your own didn't to about. Nana, what was the next issue with that?
And then Nana, I can't place there. Or bar because it's a mine, no. I get Galamsey for be, and your winner, a be on my sword, now for underground. and no more year join mines following your access to idea or man casadi or music legally. And then I may say, me better from one. A war is no, a man nipper war, a honor, some mines for no and no major against if not take over or a bimo, and I didn't bugu almost no move. The names are buying to the Sabah officers are the way they have one with their and no more who would move. It is sound plan. I buy, be bold. We are buying, be bold. For about 12 and some 20, and then people who never have some problem. No, because I knew who's in there as another arbitration on America, International Court. I knew as a preventive investors from coming to this country. It's all right. You're buying who's a deal with now, every year, a good gun anymore. Possibly, Grony, and I will be in a difficult idea. The men of the difficult idea, and now President Mahama difficult idea. And the economist, I don't think it's a benefit. So be the force of you on property. I know that. What may be we are buying to Obama. Then she said, Papa, also buy the give me a month say for me. Oh, yeah. That's all mood you on label. That might also do on label.
All right.
Okay, Jumano, give me a small scale mine for no. Hey, your Majuma. Not last year, my uncle goes to Juma. Some person about double.
All right.
Yeah, in the flat mine.
Oh, they better ask. Container where they are.
Container. I was there, you didn't want to and I had him tell
Okay. That's already that's it.
Mosito ya wo Solar FM ye wo do pa say ya me no dey twa MC tu bo di atie me bi ye
jire mu ho
ya Mosito
onu dey twa dey say mu jire mu ho
ye jire me kwanu nsuo pia wata e na wo ye ni bia me no normal vote any ade Frank you mate why
as ye jire mu ho
yo mate nti e container dey jire mpa etimi tia o bobie ene na busua ya afo simoni ade nyina mo amkobo a wo mo da no fiala memene da kwasi ada omguso kro omoji omani wo mo so da bunyina amase na ade abode na wode ebaaye ye to aso ana ede biem ne
ye ko agokansi but honorable papa yi say o de bogulo o say
bugalo
bogulo may you please educate me a little on the duties and responsibilities of the NCC where they any education on the side of the NCC over the upcoming exhibition. They have failed Ghanaians woefully. What is NCC for? Echo rounds on that.
On
a exhibition.
There be mentary.
NCC unti.
There be mentary.
By a bo.
Easy for na come massive. I don't have any idea about it.
Okay.
I like the bomb. Some countries so chiao pa.
Oh, me
was one chiao, but I some to chiao. With chiao pa. Ya driver ba ko say ne papa di ne birthday Christopher Agawu. Multimedia also wo she Nana Kwasi okay was say Dwaso hene
okay
Ewutu traditional area happy belated birthday emfa enko emano.
Okay, so you could try ho abaya ba would be share walas ebra Gfax fadarama kwakuni kojo adarama one day agokensi ebro ene kuma se sante kotoko e just rade ama crowd to folk ayesem nti wo beda so e be bom si
ayesem na mo asem afiri ba ya court aka ya no kura ho nsem so aso GFF o ka say easy case na ne case ketwa ate case na case ketwa
ye kwaba.
Okay, mobi akwaba kese pa de ba ya wo kense dwumedie so still e wo bedwum dwumedie so ADOM TV Adom TV so na de san hye so kun 18 jaw medin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace akudi kratch ba ko pe na me ko ne kwanten kro e de nsema wodo nsa kan na no pen so e de Abrel Gfas Health Limited phone pen fada ma Gfas de do ta ba ko pe e friend se Gfas ana e ba Gfas do se ojon so te ya wo mu ana fe so siyade e tete premature ejaculation sexual weakness e hawa dwen afi burning sensation sawunya ana fi rash se gu be ma ho prekesene low sperm count e tete wa wansan ka Gfas do ta ba ko betian boa na apomodon sem etia kwenu no Tanso na ya bai wana sisi de adwene menstrual pains disorders na abdominal pains na face so baby kekao white fita na so de pua ana achewa mansanka jefasedwe bi miscarriage na otanya infertility wakwa de ase bese mfiedu nu ene akiri nya de ankwala timi so wade ase eno pa ho so abdominal discharges na ofa mu ni na jefasedwe ba ku betia boa prapra hrawa na omre bo ho amo atia de nchina che jefas form pain for asane jefas power capsules jefas b capsules ana omode aba no so elbo adwuma pa set mi ka bia wo ye be ma atia san boa madwuma wo ha wotimi bo na nadwo niema etia kuye de mambo modi ada so do wani bechirim e Chifa Cyber Center Tachimazongo traffic light na Kings Walk Eba shop e wo kan Shida Clean Kolina Keba shop Kumase ana Facebook piem e wo Sewa Eba shop Ashantimampon wo mina akofa Jefas do bia bi suma ma fotonom na ebo amoma pomodon nsem e kuye fa Jefas e wo 0261319895 na for ni Jefas Health Limited yen twetwen komo yemwa mansanka du pa bi se be bi tia boa e mo pomodon nsem etwi akoye o madama ana etechira boa media wo kansi nsem pa esa ken no penso etimi ejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to the very first step.